A radiator core can get clogged with dirt, rust, and old coolant over time, which makes it harder for your car's engine to stay cool. Flushing a radiator core means cleaning it thoroughly by removing all the dirt and buildup inside. There are simple methods to flush a radiator core. Soapy water helps flush a radiator core by loosening grease, dirt, and residue for easier cleaning. To flush a radiator core, first remove it from the car carefully so that it can be cleaned thoroughly without damaging any parts. Then, sprinkle soapy water into the radiator core fins, making sure it reaches all the small passages and crevices. This helps loosen any remaining dirt, grease, or residue stuck inside the fins for easier cleaning. Next, wash the radiator core thoroughly with fresh water, ensuring that all soap, dirt, and cleaning residues are completely removed. Rinse it carefully until the water running out is clean, leaving the radiator core spotless and ready for reinstallation. If the radiator core fins are bent or closed, carefully open them using a screwdriver to restore proper airflow and cooling efficiency. After cleaning, you can see that the radiator core is clean and all the dirt has been removed. Coke helps flush a radiator core by dissolving rust, scale, and stubborn deposits inside. To flush a radiator core, first remove it from the car to clean it properly. Then, use a vacuum to remove all the dirt and residue from the radiator core, making sure that no debris is left inside. This helps ensure proper coolant flow and improves the overall cooling efficiency of the radiator. Next, carefully pour the Coke into the radiator core, ensuring that it flows through all the internal passages. This helps dissolve and remove all dirt, rust, and residue trapped inside the radiator core. Allow it to sit for some time so it can loosen rust, scale, and remaining deposits inside the core. Then, use the vacuum again to remove the loosened dirt, liquid, and residue from the radiator core. This ensures the core is completely clean and free from any remaining debris. Next, spray the oil cleaner into the radiator core to break down any remaining grease and stubborn deposits. Then, scrub the radiator core gently with a brush to remove any remaining dirt and buildup. Next, spray soapy water into the radiator core to wash away any remaining oil, grease, or cleaning residues. Finally, rinse the radiator core thoroughly with fresh water to remove all soap and remaining dirt. You can see that your radiator core is now clean and all the dirt has been removed. Finally, attach the radiator core back into the radiator, ensuring it is properly seated and all connections are secure. So, by applying these effective methods and products, you can successfully flush a radiator core.